Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to insert SIM and microSD card in Redmi 12C. The Redmi 12C smartphone can be used with 1 or 2 nano SIM cards and a microSD memory card with a capacity of up to 1 TB of memory. In the upper left is the SIM tray. With the help of the SIM eject tool, we remove the SIM tray. We put the SIM card and memory card with golden contacts facing down. On my channel you will find many tutorials about Redmi 12C, how to delete pattern, how to hard reset, how to set up app lock, and many more. If you use the phone with one SIM, put the SIM in slot 1. After you put the SIM card and memory card, push back gently the SIM tray into the phone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. It would help me a lot to grow this channel. Have a nice day and see you on next video.